Join me as we make these quick and easy glazed lemon cookies. Hi, Liz here with Simply Delicious Baking, and we are going to make these easy, irresistible lemon cookies out of a cake mix. What? Yes, so grab that apron and let's get started. Let's start off by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, grab a medium mixing bowl and let's add one 15-ounce box of cake mix. The brand doesn't matter. I'm using Duncan Hines. A half cup of oil and 1 egg. Now this part is optional. You can add 1 tablespoon to 1.5 tablespoons of lemon zest for a little bit more lemon bang bang. Let's mix these together. The batter's gonna be thick. Now, let's grab a cookie sheet and line it with parchment paper. Roll your batter into 15 or 16 balls. Let's put them in a 350 degree oven for 13 to 15 minutes. They're done when they start to get a little brown on the bottom. These cookies look and smell delicious. Let's let them cool completely before we glaze them. Now, while they're cooling, let's make our easy lemon glaze. Now, grab a small mixing bowl or a large cereal bowl and add a cup of powdered sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. You can also add a 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of lemon zest for a little more of that lemon bang bang. Okay, let's mix these together. If the glaze is too thick for you, just add a little bit more of our lemon juice. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's glaze. I'm going to drizzle my glaze on with a spoon, but you can also dip the cookies in the glaze. Folks, my taste buds are salivating. I am going to have to pray up to resist the temptation to eat all these cookies. These lemon cake mix cookies, minimum effort, maximum flavor. Trust me on that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.